Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the only viable way to play Clash Royale on a school PC in 2025. Modern school IT systems have advanced significantly, blocking nearly all traditional workarounds. Browser-based versions, if they ever existed reliably, are now fully restricted by content filters. Similarly, installing Android emulators or running VPN software is impossible without administrator privileges, which are universally denied. These old methods are no longer effective for bypassing current security protocols. School PCs are locked down with multi-layered security. Application whitelisting means only approved software can even launch, immediately stopping any installed emulators or game files. Network firewalls scrutinize all traffic, specifically blocking game servers and known proxy connections. Furthermore, deep packet inspection actively scans data for suspicious activity, making it extremely difficult for any game-related communication to pass through undetected. This creates a secure but challenging environment. The singular viable method in 2025 requires you to boot a complete operating system from an external USB drive. This approach entirely bypasses the school computer's installed OS, along with all its software whitelists and administrator restrictions. Essentially, the school PC's hardware, like the processor and RAM, runs your chosen portable operating system, giving you full control over the software environment. This isolation is crucial for running unauthorized applications like Clash Royale. To set this up, you'll need a fast USB 3.0 drive, at least 32 GB in size. Use software like Ventoy to make it bootable, and then copy a lightweight Linux distribution like Ubuntu onto it. This creates a self-contained environment. The absolutely critical step is gaining access to the school PC's BIOS or UEFI settings, usually by pressing F2, F10, or delete at startup to enable booting from your USB drive. This often requires admin access. Once your portable Linux OS is running, you can install a compatible Android environment, such as Waydroid. From there, access the Google Play Store or download Clash Royale directly via its APK file. Remember, this method relies on the school PC having USB boot enabled and unmonitored network access from your portable OS. Always ensure you properly shut down the portable system and remove your USB drive, leaving the school computer exactly as you found it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.